In 1845, a botanist named Charles Darwin stumbled upon a peculiar phenomenon in the Galapagos Islands. Amidst the volcanic, nutrient-poor soil, he discovered plants thriving against all odds. How did they survive? These plants had developed symbiotic relationships with fungi, extracting nutrients from the air and rain. This adaptation was revolutionary, hinting at nature's resilience. Darwin's findings challenged the scientific community, sparking debates and further research. Could this be nature's secret to survival? Today, these insights help in developing sustainable agriculture. Like these plants, let's adapt and thrive. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.